everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description box. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy little ring style wreath. I'm using a 1.75 inch wooden ring, a few wooden beads, some worsted weight yarn. This is Wool of the Andes worsted from We Crochet, and I'll be using a 4mm G-size crochet hook, and the links for all these items will be in the description box. I'll be using Noble Heather. This was Brass Heather, and I'll be using Noble Heather for this wreath today. You'll want to make a slip knot and put it on the hook to get started. You're just going to take your hook, pushing it through the ring, grabbing the yarn, pulling it up, and working a single crochet. We're just going to do that all the way around, filling in the entire ring. So it doesn't really, ultimately it doesn't really matter what size ring you use or how many stitches. You just want to make sure that you fill the entire ring. So as you work, just make sure you just push it all together just so it's nice and full. Okay, so once you have it all filled in, we're just going to fasten off. Just pull that through. And then I just like to weave these tails into the back. Okay, so you just want to do that with both tails. Get them out of the way. And you could always tie them in a bow if you want, but I prefer to have the little bow done in the twine, so I am going to do the twine bow. Just so it stands out. You could even add a little ribbon bow, really anything that you want to match sort of your decor, your Christmas decor. Okay. So those are hidden on the back. Now what you can do is take some twine. And I'll use my larger yarn needle here. Okay, so I like to knot it at the base before attaching my beads. So I've just put it onto my yarn needle here, and then you can just thread down. I like to get that pushed over that knot. The twine can be really messy. You can add as many beads as you want, whatever sizes. And then we just want to tie the top for hanging it on the tree. So for the bow, you just want to take a piece of twine. Just like to give it a little knot. And just make a little bow. Just adjust it to the right size. Just want it tiny. And you can trim the tails. Then you just want to take your glue gun, just a little dab of glue, and just stick that right there. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tap that bell to stay updated on all my new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much, guys. Have an awesome day.